Each of A and B opened a recurring deposit account in a bank. If A deposited rupees 1,200 per month for 3 years, Apo A deposited. So first we can do with the A. So for A, right side heading, for A, capital A, for A, FOR, for A. We are considering now as A. For A, third question, P is equal to, for A, P is equal to, write down, 200, then N is equal to how many years? N,
3 years.
okay, 3 years.
3
So
years.
3 years can be written as 3 into 12.
36.
36 months.
36 months. Then PN, next is what? R. R is how much? The rate of interest paid by the bank is 10% per annum. So for both, it is 10%. For A and for B, both R is equal to 10%. 10%. So next we want to find out I. I is equal to P into N plus 1 divided by 2 into 12 into R by 100. So which is equal to P 1200 into N is 36. So directly we can write 36 plus 1 is what? 37. Divided by 2 into 12 into R is what? 10. 10 by 100. So cancel and find the answer. Cancel it and find the answer. 6660. 6660. I is equal to. So next maturity value we want to find out. So maturity value is equal to, we can write maturity value is equal to P into N plus I, which is equal to P into N plus I. So P is how much? 1200 into N 36 plus I 6660. So find the value of 1200 into 36. Okay, 49860 plus 6660. 49.
Total only.
Total, okay. Total. So total is this one. What about this? I wrote this one. What about this? 6660. So what you told? 49860. 860 total. So what about this value? 1200 into 36 is what?
4320. 43200.
43200. So the next for B. Maturity value, we got it. Then next is for B. Same way we want to do for B. Do it for B. For B, what they are given? A deposited 1200 per month for 3 years and B deposited 1500. So P is equal to what? Rupees 1500. B deposited. For 3 years. For 3 years A and B deposited 1500 per month for 2.5 years. So N is equal to 2 1/2 years. So how can we write 2 1/2 years? 2 into 2, 4 plus 1, 5/2 years. So 5/2 years means what? 5/2 into
30 months.
12. 30 months. 30 months. Then R same rate of interest, R is equal to 10%. So directly we can write I is equal to formula P into N plus 1 divided by 2 into 12 into R by 100. Do your own calculation, do as a homework. And at last you will get I is equal to value, I think it is 5812, 5812.5. You will get after calculation you will get I as 5812.5. Then maturity value is equal to P into N plus I. So P is what? P is 1500 into N 30. No, plus I is equal to what? 5812.5. So this calculation plus this one, adding and find the answer. Do it as a homework. Okay, tomorrow, next day we can discuss. Okay.